Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download Minecraft for free on your Lenovo laptop. This method works on Windows laptops and lets you play the official Minecraft demo using a Microsoft account. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your laptop. In the search bar, type Minecraft and press Enter. Open the official Minecraft website from the search results. Once the website opens, click on Games, then select Minecraft.java and Bedrock. On the Minecraft page, look for the Try Minecraft Free option and click on it. Scroll down until you see the Download option for different devices, so choose according to your device. Click to one option to download the Minecraft launcher. After the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions and wait for the Minecraft launcher to finish installing. When the launcher opens, sign in with your Microsoft account. If prompted, click Get in Microsoft Store to continue. Once everything is ready, click Play Demo. The game files will start downloading automatically. After the download finishes, click Play Demo World and you can start playing Minecraft for free. That's it! That's how you can download and play the official Minecraft demo for free on your Lenovo laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Lenovo laptop tutorials.